Assalamu alaikum to all lovely people. I hope you all doing great and Alhamdulillah I am also fit as fiddle. Today we are going to discuss about normal और politely way like normal and formal. ठीक है जैसे कि हम लोग कैजुअल टॉक करते हैं कॉन्वर्जेसन करते हैं अपने कॉलेज से या फिर अपने अपने जो भी जूनियर हैं ना उनसे हम लोग फॉर्मली बात करते हैं बहुत ईज़िली होके हेजिटेट नहीं होते पर हमारी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसी भी पर्सनैलिटीज़ होती हैं जो कि हमारे सीनियर्स होते हैं लाइक हमारे बॉस हमारे पेरेंट हमारे एक्स जो भी हैं लेकिन हमारे एज में बड़े हैं तो रिस्पेक्टली हम लोगों को उनके साथ किस तरह से बात करनी चाहिए आज हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे. So we have two parts, normal and politely, like formal. Okay. So the first sentence is in a formal side, hand me that book. Hand me that book. But we can say that more politely way. Would you mind handing me that book? Would you mind handing me that book? Number second sentence we have in a normal side, turn the music down. Turn the music down. But we can say that in a politely way, I would appreciate it if you could turn the music down. I would appreciate it if you could turn the music down. Now, third sentence we have in a normal side, pick me up on your way to the party this evening. Pick me up on your way to the party this evening. But in a politely way, I was hoping you could give me a lift to the party. I was hoping you could give me a lift to the party. Next sentence we have in a normal side, you have made a mistake in this report. You have made a mistake in this report. But instead of saying this, we can say in a politely way, you seem to have made a mistake here. You seem to have made a mistake here. The next sentence is in a formal side, you are too young to get married. You are too young to get married. But instead of saying normal side, we can use a politely way. I reckon you are a little young to be getting married. I reckon you are a little young to be getting married. The next sentence we have normal side. That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. But we can say that in a politely way. I am not so sure that's a good idea. I am not so sure that's a good idea. We have next sentence in the normal side, leave me alone. Leave me alone. But instead of saying this, we can say in a politely way, could you give me a minute? Could you give me a minute? Next sentence we have in a normal side, tell me when you are available. Tell me when you are available, and in a politely way, let me know when you are available. Let me know when you are available. Next sentence in the normal side, give me a cup of tea. Give me a cup of tea. But instead of saying this, we can say that in a politely way, may I have a cup of tea? May I have a cup of tea? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Do share with your loved ones and do not forget to comment. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Have a blessed day.